We have heard a lot about OnePlus Nord in the past few months. In fact, the company has confirmed the few details by itself. For the first time ever, the complete spec sheet of the OnePlus Nord has leaked. The phone is going to be revealed on 21st of July, so let's have a quick look on everything we need to know about it. Qualcomm previously confirmed that Qualcomm's Snapdragon 765G processor will power the OnePlus Nord. The spec sheet also mentions the same. Additionally, it states that the phone will come with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The Nord is said to come in two variants, 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The spec sheet further reveals that the Nord will come packed with a 6.44-inch Super AMOLED screen with a pixel density of 408 ppi. The phone is also tipped to include fingerprint scanner beneath the screen for security. It is said to offer a 90Hz screen refresh rate. The phone will run Oxygen OS 10 out of the box based on Android 10. In terms of cameras, the spec sheet varies from past leaks and rumors. It notes the OnePlus Nord will include a quad rear camera setup including 48MP primary sensor, 8MP ultra-wide lens, 5MP depth sensor and 2MP macro lens. On the front, the phone will include dual punch-hole camera setup. The company has officially confirmed. Rumors suggest the Nord will include 32MP main sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide sensor. The sheet further reveals that the OnePlus Nord will pack a 4115 mAh battery with 30W fast charging support. The phone is said to be available in three colors option: blue marble, grey onyx and grey ash. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and let me know your thoughts about the OnePlus Nord in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel Tech Daily to see more videos like this. With that being said, this is me Rahul signing off.